Nifty Gateway Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the Nifty Gateway Wallet. Links to the product are in the description below. In this video, I'll dive into the key features, strengths, and weaknesses of Nifty Gateway Wallet so you can decide if it's the right fit for your NFT needs. Nifty Gateway Wallet is designed specifically for managing NFTs, non-fungible tokens, making it a popular choice for NFT collectors, creators, and investors. It's a custodial wallet, meaning your private keys are managed by Nifty Gateway, which makes it easier for beginners, but also means you have to trust the platform with your assets. It integrates directly with the Nifty Gateway Marketplace, one of the leading platforms for NFT sales and auctions, so you can easily buy, sell, and store your digital assets all in one place. One of the wallet's key features is its seamless integration with Ethereum, which is essential for most NFT transactions, as many NFTs are based on the Ethereum blockchain. It also supports credit card purchases for NFTs, which is great for newcomers who don't have Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies yet, but still want to dive into the world of NFTs. This ease of access is a significant advantage for those who want to skip the crypto exchange steps and go straight to buying art or collectibles. Another strength of the Nifty Gateway Wallet is its security. Since it is custodial, Nifty Gateway implements industry-standard security measures, such as two-factor authentication and encryption, to protect your account and NFTs. This makes it a safe option for beginners and those who prioritize ease of use over full control of their private keys. However, there are some downsides. The main weakness is the custodial nature of the wallet, which means you don't have complete control over your assets. Nifty Gateway does. Additionally, while it supports Ethereum-based NFTs, it doesn't support all blockchains or offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies for transactions. In summary, the Nifty Gateway Wallet is a great option for those focused on Ethereum-based NFTs who want a simple, secure, and user-friendly experience. However, if you're looking for a non-custodial wallet or one that supports more blockchains, this may not be the best fit. Check the links in the description to explore more and decide if Nifty Gateway Wallet suits your needs.